We are automating here your WordPress blog based on make.com. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm marketing analyst and expert in Looker and marketing automation. Make.com. Here we have a scenario to do posts for a blog, and we already replicated quite a part of this scenario, and we replicated in a new account that you can step by step follow me and do the same for your blog. This is already, I think, 10th video in this series. In this section, we start working on internal images. We already create the main image, but if you open my article, you can see that I have a couple of images inside. We are working on this right now. How can we do it? I want to split my article for two pieces, write prompt for each piece. I have a document with prompts. Prompt we will write using ChatGPT. I have a document where I will copy paste prompt that you can use it, but update it for your blog, for your topic. I will just copy paste prompts from what I already did from my original scenario. Do not spend time to create them. Split articles for two parts. Generate a completion. Create a new section. ChatGPT, and we need generate a completion. Let's move it. We already have connection to ChatGPT because it's not our first model. We will use system model and our system prompt. I will copy paste it here, and let's do split article for two pieces prompt. Let's do short overview what we are doing here. System prompt. We say that you're an editor and we ask to analyze an article that we already wrote. We ask do not change the article and just split it for two pieces and write short title and description for these pieces. And we want to get a really strict output here because we will use it for JSON later. So output should be like this. Then we use user prompt. User prompt, let's add it here. So in user prompt we say what is article actually. Article we take from Markdown. We take our full article from Markdown. This is our user prompt. Analyze the article and suggest two illustrations for this article. We can save it. We don't need much tokens here actually, but let's do 5,000. So we split article for two pieces and write it, and this rename it split article for two pieces. If you want to have more pictures in your article, you can split for more pieces. You spend money for tokens, and each more images you have, more money you pay. So I decided that 2 is enough because without other pictures it's a bit boring, so let's do 2. And the next section we generate two prompts. First part we split article and wrote about scene, and here we write normal prompt for Nana Banana. So this is generate two prompts for images. And system prompt. Our system prompt here. Our prompt here is that you are a visual director and you have these two pieces, and you should use this to generate a prompt for Nana Banana. First image without character and second image with character. I have general rules, format, and I need this output, and this is our JSON output. And we have user prompt, this section here. It will be OpenAI, generate a completion. This is model, the last one, and system prompt is here. You can test my prompt and update it for your niche, update it for your project, because it will not work for you. I give you a base that you can use on your work. So scene, we have it here. We will have it as a result of this model. So this is our scenes, and let me copy paste user prompt for you to Google Doc, and this Google Doc you will have access below this video. You just convert following scenes to normal prompt for Nana Banana. Then we save, and this is renamed to generate two prompts for images. And this is a really funny story starting here, because we have JSON and we have two images, and we need to write a piece of our scenario twice, each time for each image. And this is not so obvious as you think, and if you do it for the first time. And we will use some image iterator for this. But first of all, we need to create JSON from our prompt, and we will give this JSON to image generator. That is how we can write just a piece of our scenario double. Parse JSON. This is which model will we use. So I do JSON, parse JSON. Let's rename it, cancel it for now. Let's rename it to prompt. And here we use outcome from generate prompts result. That is why we asked here on this model to generate exactly JSON here. Then we save, and as you see, possible to use this model as the last one, but it is fine because we know that it is not our final stage. It is just we stop it for now, and the next video we will observe the whole pipeline to generate these two images. More or less we do the same. So we already have prompts, so we generate image, we will not change it, and we will upload it to our WordPress, and this we will talk later. For now, what is important to split articles for the same pieces that we want to how many images we want to generate. We wrote prompts for them. You can find it here in this document, and we prepare JSON for the next stage. So in the final result, we will have article on your website that will post automatically without you. So you work once to set up all these things. Well, it takes time, I know, but when it's done, you can post automatically your articles. And for now, we generated automatically article. I use my content and just use this scenario to do posting because I hate to post. That's it. You have a great base to play around and create your content marketing automation. Or if you need help, you can ask me. We can talk about this. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment, like this video if you like it, because it's super important for me and it gives me motivation to continue working on this. Hope you really like it, and see you soon on the next video.